today we'll be talking about restream and monetization. See, if you hear anybody or you see anybody telling you get monetized in 2 days or 3 days, please run. Yes, quote me, run. Because get monetized in just 2 or 3 days. Like your channel is just a baby, you don't know your audience, you don't know the left from your right or the right from your left, you don't know anything about YouTube, you don't know how it works, you don't know the algorithm, you don't know anything, and straight up you're monetized. So what next? Then you start saying I'm having problem with views, people are not engaging with me and all that. How would they engage when you not even know your audience? You don't even know how to go about it. Just get me right. Restream is a tool. It's just a platform that enhance your watch hour quickly. So if you have not built your audience, you've not done the right thing, and you're using Restream, you will get it mixed up at the end of the day. I'm telling you, they will leave you because you're now monetized. That is the aim. They will leave you and you start struggling for views, you start struggling mentally, you just feel there's something is not right somewhere. You will not be feeling yourself. You feel like, what is the essence of getting monetized? If anybody can do this, if everybody can do that, why am I not doing it? Said I'm going to be using my channel as an experiment. Like, I don't gatekeep, I don't hold the information. What I feel that is right from my channel, I'll bring it to you guys, right? And what I see that is not right, I'm going to talk about it also. So now, I don't like when people just want to make money or make people or deceive people and say, oh, get monetized in 2 days. Like, how is that possible? Using Restream, how is that possible? The person have not even built his or her audience, doesn't even know how YouTube works, doesn't know anything about YouTube. Just in the next 2 days, the person is monetized. Oh, congratulations, you're monetized. Then what next? See, that's why most of these small YouTubers see those big YouTubers and feel like, oh, I want to be like them. I want to be like them. They don't use shortcuts. I want to be like them. They are very hardworking. I want to be like them. They are very consistent. I want to be like them. They are posting back to back. I want to be like them. They are always thinking ahead, thinking as if there is no box. They don't sleep. But you just want to make it at a goal, as it's hot right now. You just want to start eating it. You don't know that it will have effects in your mind. Restream is not the problem. Restream is a tool that you use to enhance your watch hour quickly. In addition, you can get subscribers. Those subscribers you are getting, they are not interested in your content because that is not what you gave to them at the initial stage. You were giving them a catchy video, a video that it will relax their mind, a video that it will make them feel comfortable, and they say, oh, this is quite interesting. And you know that those people watching your Restream, they are not Nigerians. They are either Indian or any other country that they don't even speak English. All they just do is just to subscribe to you and feel at ease. So by the time you've done that, in 2 days you're monetized, even one day you're monetized, and you're bringing out content that most of your subscribers are not interested in whatever you're doing, don't you think you'll be frustrated? Don't you think you'll feel like something is wrong somewhere? Then you start complaining. And anybody that is doing this, please tell whoever you training that this is it, that when you get monetized, you will start from the scratch. So let them know, not that, oh, you can get monetized immediately, come because you want to collect money, but you don't want to tell them the side effects, and they will feel that you cheated them or you're not being transparent. Let them know whatever they are into, because to get monetized is not very easy. Gone are those days. Like some people that have been in the YouTube for 4 5 years, they can testify to this. When you say you are monetized, they will do like this for you, because it's not easy to have 4,000 watch hour. Do you think it's easy to get 4,000 watch hour? Do you think it's easy to get 1,000 subscriber organically, if I'm correct with that word? Do you think it's easy? So when they see that everything is check, they want to salute you, because you did something that is beyond extraordinary on YouTube, for you to get that qualification, that certificate. But now it's just I'm monetized, congratulations, you're monetized, but you're not making the money. Do you know when they say you're monetized, that means now you cannot start making money? You've built your audience, you've been having 1,000 views, 3,000 views, but you are not monetized yet, and you start saying money is wasting, see my money is wasting. Then they say you are monetized, you start jumping, you start saying, finally, so all this, if I'm getting these views now, is money that will be with me. That is it. That's why you see the people like Princess Chiamaka, Creative Kill, and other big YouTubers, they are making it. When they got monetized, it was not up to a month or 1 month, they surpassed the threshold of $100 or $10, because they already have the audience already. That is what I'm trying to talk about. Look at them. Then you that just got monetized easily, even to get that $10 is a problem. I'm talking from experience too. That's why I'm telling you, like I said, I don't gatekeep. So I will tell you what has worked for me and worked for me, or that I'm struggling with. So you should not also fall a prey to it, or fall a victim to it too. Because I hardly see those ladies on Restream. They build their channel. Stream is just a platform. You can use it when you know you are struggling with watch hour. For example, you're having 2,000 watch hour. Well, let me do this one. Let me get like 200 watch hour. Or let me get like 100 watch hour. Well, let me do it. Okay, I'll do it up out this and I'll do it. But you're building your audience like that. And you can have a viral video that you don't even need to do Restream. Restream is just a platform that enhance you. So if you use it anyhow, sharply, it will come sharply for you, but you will suffer for it. So please don't let anybody deceive you that get monetized in less than 3 days. Get monetized in less than 3 days. After that, it's not going to be easy for you, and you have paid for the services, and they've rendered the services of monetization to you. Are you not monetized? You are monetized. So you will start afresh, because all those subscribers that you are seeing, they don't speak English. They are not even interested in what you are doing at all. Have you seen your analytics that when they are saying notification 0.1 or 0.5, hardly will you see people that will subscribe to you, because they are not interested in whatever you're doing. If you now go back to Restream and do something catchy, you see all of them will come back. They will come back. Go and check it, you see returnees like almost like 1,000, because this is what they signed up for. How have you been? You've not been around. This. They will start sending you messages. So my dear, my brothers, my sister, I'm just advising you, those that just want to join the YouTube family, you just start from the scratch. Build your community, build your audience. Don't listen to get monetized in less than 2 or 3 days. No, it's not going to work. Build your community right. When you're building your audience, you're seeing you're engaging, you're doing this, you're doing that, you can now say, okay, you want to use Restream to boost. Restream is a supporter, not the pillar, not the cut. You cut your leg at the front. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get notification when my video pops up. And if you subscribed already, you know I love you. Bye.